Oh, hey Rachel.
What are you looking at?
I'm checking out TRPparts.com.
Oh, nice. I was just about to look up a part number.
Well, as parts professionals, this is a great tool to help find the right replacement product.
I need a replacement part for a customer. Can TRPparts.com help do that?
It can. You can search for the part you need by using the part number, but you can also search by keyword, competitor part number, category, VMRS code, make or model of the vehicle, or just even by the VIN number.
Oh, so if I don't have the part number in the future, I can search by using any of those functions.
Exactly.
Okay. What else makes this site a must-need for parts pros?
Well, it has over 110,000 all makes part numbers, over 1 million cross-reference records, and over 20,000 parts with images, some of which have a 360-degree view. So almost any product that you needed, you can find on this site.
I like what I'm hearing. Is it available to all parts pros everywhere?
It is. In addition to English, it's also offered in Spanish and French.
How often is the site updated? There's a lot of part information out there.
It's actually updated every night, so you're always going to get the newest and most up-to-date information. You want to go ahead and enter your part number so we can look it up together?
That'd be great.
Hey Rachel, do you have a minute?
Hey Matt, I'm just cleaning up the area. What are you working on?
I'm reading up on our TRP air disc brake rotors. I have a customer coming in soon. On the phone he mentioned having noisy brakes, because every time he stops, his brakes squeal, and his stopping distance has increased. I read that noisy brakes and increased stopping distances can be caused by worn brake pads and rotors.
Yes, that's right. Those symptoms are some of the first signs they're going bad. Increases in engine power, higher levels of utilization, and more traffic means more demand on brakes. Also, increased demand means increased loads in all forms, resulting in higher torque and temperatures for the brakes, and the needs to perform above and beyond historic levels.
And the TRP air disc brake rotors can withstand these increased demands?
They will. TRP air disc brake rotors are engineered to global standards. They are made to deliver consistent, reliable braking performance in demanding environments. These brake rotors are tested to withstand high inertia stopping experienced today, so drivers in all driving conditions are covered.
And what about durability?
The durability is proven to provide long life. TRP air disc brake rotors surpass severe durability testing. They have outstanding wear properties and have superior structural integrity, so your drivers can rest assured that they are getting a reliable product.
It also says here that they are mill balanced.
Mill balance means material is removed rather than adding balance clips. This process produces less vibration while driving.
These are all great features and benefits.
Don't forget, the bolts or attachment hardwares are included, and they are each individually boxed and sealed for maximum protection.
Great information. Thank you again for going over these benefits with me.
Anytime. I always recommend replacing both rotors on an axle. Now would also be a good time to replace the brake pads. Rubbing against the bad air disc brake rotors have probably worn them out.
That's a great reminder. I'll make sure we check his brake pads as well. Thank you again for your help.
No problem. Hey there.
Hey.
Well, it's pretty obvious why you're in such a good mood.
Oh yeah? I'm really that easy to read?
Well, I know I'd be happy to see the new TRP Technician Starter Kit.
No kidding. This is an amazing set of hand tools. They're ergonomically designed for comfort and also built strong to last in a busy tech's bay. These tools help a technician work efficiently and precisely in a modern shop setting.
One of the biggest complaints I hear from new technicians is that buying tools is expensive, and many of the kits have tools that they will never need.
This kit is perfect, as the contents were put together by a dealership. Whether they need a toolkit, a basic tools first certification class, or they need to move their career to the next level, this kit is perfect for the job. With a set of full matching professional grade tools, the TRP Technician Starter Kit can provide what they need at the right price.
I also like to remind veteran technicians that this is a great set of backup tools for a great price. I know we've all lost that 10mm socket 1,000 times while on the job.
I never thought of that. Is there anyone else who should know about this kit?
Yeah, I also like to let fleet owners know about the kit. It's perfect for throwing in the service truck, so mobile tech has a quality set of tools always handy.
Those are great ideas. Also, this kit has 30 plus tools, Made from high-quality materials that can endure the wear and tear that comes with servicing heavy-duty trucks. Every single hand tool comes with a lifetime replacement warranty and are stored in a 40-inch wide heavy-duty roll cabinet with 7 drawers, and it also includes an 18-volt half-inch cordless impact.
Okay, I know we both could go on and on about the cool stuff with this toolkit, but now it's time to go unload the new shipment.
Really?
Yes, Matt. It's time to put the tools away.
You say so, but I'm coming back to this set later.
This customer yesterday told me about a really scary close call they had.
Let me guess. Somebody drove into their blind spot.
How'd you guess?
I hear about it all the time from new and veteran drivers.
Yeah, blind spots pose a serious safety hazard to both truck drivers and their vehicles. Mirrors provide valuable information drivers need about the traffic around them. To help drivers see around the truck better, I recommend a set of these aero mirrors.
With their various adjustments, the TRP aero mirrors improve the field of vision so the driver can have increased confidence when back on the road.
I like the lightweight aerodynamic design too because it reduces vehicle drag and improves fuel efficiency.
They also come in a variety of colors to match any truck, built to withstand the harsh demands of any job, both on and off of the highway. The TRP aero mirrors can be used in almost any customer application.
In short, these versatile mirrors enable drivers to safely see and execute any job. Additionally, the mirrors come with PACCAR's standard 1-year warranty.
I like this one. What do you think?
This one's my favorite.
Hey Rachel, can you do me a small favor?
Sure, what do you need?
One of the service techs asked if we could bring this down to the shop.
A TRP no-ream kingpin kit?
Yeah, the truck being worked on needs a replacement.
Did the driver encounter some warning signs?
The tech said improper lubrication in the bushings caused the contact points to wear. And I guess the truck was driving pretty rough and there was a lot of uneven front tire wear.
I see. Well, I'm sure the owner will be glad that the TRP no-ream kingpin kit has a 2-year, 250,000-mile warranty.
Exactly. The TRP no-ream kingpin kits are made with quality steel using state-of-the-art heat treatment for maximum strength and wear resistance.
These kits also have a spiral bushing design that allows the kingpin to be replaced without pressing and reaming the bushings. This significantly reduces the installation time compared to the standard pressed-in kingpin bushings.
That is great information.
I will run this out to the tech so they can get the truck back on the road.
I'm sure that'll make the driver very happy.
Hey Matt,
Hey Rachel, what are you working on?
I have a customer coming in to look at our TRP spring brake chambers.
I've heard that TRP brake chambers are designed according to our specifications.
Yeah, with enhanced features that have been most requested by customers.
So why are these TRP spring brake chambers better than the rest?
Customers have been requesting a competitively priced spring brake chamber with features found on the top of the line chambers installed in new trucks. The features on these TRP spring brake chambers make them some of the most robust and reliable chambers on the market without costing a fortune. All features are also tested to meet all requirements.
Customers are going to be happy to hear that, but what else can we expect with these TRP spring brake chambers?
A lot. Each TRP combo spring brake chamber features an 8-gauge service housing and high-performance main power spring and return springs. The bottom of the service housing is contoured for added strength to reinforce the durability of the 8-gauge steel. There is also a double O-ring design. The O-ring prevents air leakage between the parking chamber and the service chamber.
Do they still comply with all force output requirements?
They do. The return springs meet and exceed 1 million cycles, and the heavy-duty diaphragm is highly resistant to abrasion. They also have a nationwide 3-year warranty.
That sounds pretty great. No wonder why our customers really like these TRP brake service chambers. Is there anything else our customers should know when they go to replace their brake chambers?
I recommend they check their slack adjusters, brake shoes, brake drums, and camshafts, just to make sure they're all in working order.
Sounds good. Good luck with your customer.
Thanks.
Hey Rachel, what are you working on?
Inventory of these TRP wheel accessory kits. They are a new expansion in TRP's all trucks parts offerings.
I can help you with that.
Oh, that'd be great. Thanks. These kits are great for someone looking to add a little something to the look of their truck.
Yes, the TRP wheel accessory kits are going to give a finished look to our customers' front and rear wheels, all in one box.
And TRP has 4 different options.
They do. The first one is the complete chrome metal kit. This contains 2 front and 4 rear hubcaps and 60 chrome ABS 33mm push-on nut covers. The stainless steel kit contains 2 front and 4 rear hubcaps and 60 chrome ABS 33mm push-on nut covers. The third option is a 60 pack of chrome ABS 33mm push-on nut covers. Finally, the fourth option is a chrome ABS kit that has 2 front and 4 rear top hat hubcaps. This has 60 chrome ABS 33mm threaded nut covers.
With everything in one kit, the customer won't need to worry about forgetting anything. Also, because TRP offers these high quality kits in a wide range of styles with competitive pricing, there's an option for every customer.
True. Plus there's an easy add-on sale for everything from brakes to wheel ends to customers looking to enhance the look of their truck. You know what? We should make sure the truck sales, especially used trucks, know about these too.
You're right. These are also easy to install, which our customers are going to love.
Now you're thinking. Let me help you put these away and we can talk about other customers who we should let know about these kits.
That'd be great. Thanks for your help.
Hey Rachel, they'd asked me to bring you some more coolant for your TRP engine coolant display.
Great, thanks.
I noticed there are a few different types.
There are the basic conventional, the heavy duty, and the extended life.
Okay, so what's the difference between them?
The TRP basic conventional coolant is best used with passenger cars and light duty trucks. The service life is 250,000 highway miles. It is not recommended for use in heavy duty trucks.
Well, why not?
If basic conventional coolant is used in heavy duty trucks, then you have to use supplemental coolant additives. If they aren't continually added, the coolant won't perform properly, and then there's a risk of overheating and engine failure.
That's not good.
No, it's not. That's why for heavy duty trucks, the TRP heavy duty coolant is recommended.
Okay, why is this better than basic conventional?
The TRP heavy duty coolant is suitable for heavy duty trucks, diesel or natural gas trucks, industrial diesel, and natural gas engines. Trucks will get about 300,000 highway miles or about 24 months of life. There is no initial requirement for a pre-charge dose of supplemental coolant additives, but supplemental coolant additive top-offs are still needed to maintain performance and to avoid the risk of engines overheating or engine failure.
Okay, I can see why this is better. And I know what this one is. This is the TRP Extended Life Coolant, sometimes simply referred to as ELC. It's the best choice of the TRP coolants and is recommended for heavy-duty trucks with diesel or natural gas engines.
Okay, so if it's offered for the same trucks as heavy-duty coolant, why is this the best coolant offered?
The TRP Extended Life Coolant service life is 1 million highway miles. Off-highway service life is 96 months. That's 4 times the highway life of basic conventional coolant, and over 3 times the highway life of the heavy-duty coolant.
Oh wow, it's easy to see why it's the best.
The TRP Extended Life Coolant is formulated to deliver long life with optimum cooling performance. It's specifically formulated for today's engines that operate at higher temperatures. Other coolants would require ongoing supplemental coolant additive top-offs. This TRP Extended Life doesn't require additives. It's important to use the proper coolant in trucks. Not all coolants are the same.
They aren't, and TRP offers our customers the perfect coolant for their vehicles.
TRP coolant will be my recommendation to our customers. I'm going to get you some more coolant from the stockroom for your display.
Thank you, Matt.
We've been selling torque rods for every size and make a truck possible like hotcakes.
Why do you think that is?
I think it's because they're such a great value for our customer. TRP torque rod assemblies are competitively priced and the best quality in the market.
Like the fact that they're designed and manufactured to prevent the walkout of the bushing. They also feature rubber bushings, just like all first-fit torque rods. Did you know rubber is the engineering material of choice due to its ability to absorb the most vibration?
There are also a number of other features and benefits. TRP torque rods come in a broad range of sizes to cover most popular applications.
Many of the torque rod assemblies have ends that are rolled over the bushings to extend the life and eliminate bushing walkout. TRP torque rods are also lighter than conventional construction.
Plus, there's a 1-year no-hassle warranty. Don't forget, like all TRP products, these torque rods perform at or above industry standards.
I think these benefits sell TRP torque rods by themselves.
They definitely do. Good thing I have more in back to restock.
Do you need help?
That'd be great, thanks.
There is a big order of these refuse fenders arriving today.
I heard. Didn't the city's sanitation contractor order these for the entire fleet?
Yeah, the contractor said that he liked that these fenders are made from lightweight, reinforced high-density polyethylene that won't crack or bend.
They are also corrosion and UV resistant while also being easy to clean.
True, but the big selling point is that they protect the trucks from all kinds of road debris, reducing maintenance costs. Plus, they reduce road and debris spray that could impact other drivers on the road.
These fenders will sell themselves easily.
It's a smart and economical alternative to other replacement fenders.
I know customers are going to love saving money. Do you need any help with them?
Actually, I do, when they get in. Can you and Jeff help me get them unloaded?
Sounds great. Just let me know when they arrive.
Hi, Matt. You're here early. What are you watching?
Hey Rachel, I got in about a half hour ago. I'm watching the TRP All Makes Fuel Tanks drop test footage. You want to see?
Sure.
It's pretty cool, huh? The All Makes Fuel Tanks are drop tested to ensure structural integrity. I've been researching them this morning. That's why I got in early.
I was reading up on those the other day. Want to refresh with me? I bet I know more than you.
Okay, you're on. And loser buys lunch. I'll start. What sizes are available?
50 to 150 gallon, ensuring multiple sizes for each diameter. My turn. What diameters are available?
23, 24.5, 25, and 26 inch. Next question for you. Where's the filler neck located?
That's an easy one. Filler neck locations are either right, center, or left for different fits and functions. They are also top draw tanks.
Okay, if that one was too easy, let me give you a harder one. What grade aluminum are the fuel tanks engineered with?
They are engineered with 0.125 OEM grade aluminum, provided maximum weight to strength ratio.
Really thought I had you on that one.
You'll have to ask me harder questions than that. My turn. 2 questions. First, the All Makes fuel tanks have a uniform finish. How do they get this uniform finish? And second, how are they manufactured?
Each fuel tank is acid etched and each is manufactured using a robotic process. The robotic process is going to make sure that the TRP fuel tanks meet the federally mandated safety requirements. And don't forget, the TRP All Makes fuel tanks have a 2-year nationwide warranty.
Okay, you know more than I thought you would.
Thank you.
All right, don't get ahead of yourself. You haven't won yet. Let's talk related parts. What related parts would you recommend?
Fuel cap, vent, and a fuel level sender, depending upon the diameter of the tank, of course. All right, last question. Before ordering, what is necessary for customers to do?
Before anyone places an order, it's important to measure the old tank for diameter, length, and filler neck location to ensure the TRP replacement tank fits the vehicle.
Good to know.
Also, on Support Link, there are a few knowledge-based articles to give additional information about replacing TRP fuel tanks. You can look them up by the TRP fuel tank part number.
Nice. Does that mean you win?
I think so. By the way, I think a sandwich could be great today. See you for lunch?
Hey, Rachel.
Hey, Matt.
What are you doing?
I have a customer coming in this afternoon. He's been experiencing scraping noises when he presses on his brakes, and he's also feeling vibrations in the pedal.
Sounds like his brake drum is wearing out.
Exactly, which is why I'm going to show him the TRP brake drum.
TRP offers 19 popular truck and trailer brake drums. He's going to get one that is a perfect fit for his truck.
That's right, fit is important. And TRP brake drums are cast and machined to meet or exceed OE specifications, so they provide quality and value.
You can't beat high quality at a competitive price.
No, you can't.
I always recommend new brake shoes when customers replace the drums. Plus, it is important that they replace the drums and shoes as a set on the axle.
That's a great idea. Thanks for the reminder. I'll also make sure to remind him to check other components of his braking system, like his wheel seals, wheel bearings, cams, and brake chambers.
That's also a great idea. If you need any more help, I'll be helping Nick unload our shipment.
Great, thanks. Hey, Matt.
Hi, Rachel. What's up?
I just got off the phone with a fleet owner. He's on his way in. He noticed he's having to replace the air springs on his trucks a lot more than he wants. He says they're cracking and splitting.
If he's experiencing cracking and splitting, these TRP air springs will be the solution to the problem.
I agree. The material is vulcanized and has been chemically formulated to withstand ozone efforts to help prevent the issues our fleet owner is having.
These are also a lightweight air spring. And TRP air springs are made with a unique fabric material, and the wall thickness is optimized. This provides a better fatigue life, so they don't wear out as quickly as other air springs.
They also have a 50 psi higher burst rating than other air springs and are 100% leak tested.
He will like that. And they are available for all truck and trailer applications.
He said he has quite a few to replace and is making inspection and replacement a priority on all his trucks and trailers, so he's worried about the cost.
The TRP air springs are cost effective and are competitively priced.
Sounds great.
It's also recommended that when he installs the TRP air springs, he should inspect all shocks and height control valves and replace any that need replacing. Doing this will help maximize suspension performance and life. Tell him to be sure to check out TRP gas shocks and TRP height control valves.
I think these TRP air springs are just what he's going to be looking for.
They will be, especially with the best warranty in the market at 2 years. He can rest easy knowing if he has any problems, his air spring can be replaced on the spot. Not that he's going to need it. If you need any help while he's here, just let me know.
Great. Thanks for your help, Matt.
Anytime.
Thanks for giving me the opportunity to talk a little bit about TRP radiators, charge air coolers, and condensers. The biggest single factor that sets TRP cooling products apart from almost all other aftermarket options is the fact that more than 95% of TRP cooling parts are manufactured in a single factory. This gives us the highest possible level of quality control. Everything is made and built under strict ISO PS 16949 standards to ensure that our parts always meet or exceed OE quality specifications. TRP parts are never built by cutting costs on key components like tube count, core thickness, fin count, oil cooler construction, or by utilizing lower grade materials, unlike many of the lower cost competition. Every single radiator is leak tested at least once before leaving the plant. When it comes to our plastic aluminum construction radiators, each radiator is actually tested 3 separate times. First at the oil cooler, which is a self-contained unit. The radiator core is pressure tested after assembly and brazing. And finally, the complete radiator assembly is pressure tested a 3rd time after the tanks are crimped onto the core. I think our deep extrusion header design is probably one of the key factors. And it's a proprietary design modification that we incorporate into TRP radiators. By extruding a deeper flange joint onto our header plates, we improve the bond between the tube and the header more than 50% stronger than traditional header extrusions. This design virtually eliminates leaks between the tube and the header and strengthens the core to better withstand vibration and thermal expansion. We also utilize the best tubes in the industry. Our tubes are made from a triple alloy material that provide better resistance against corrosion, along with higher strength and durability. Our tube walls are thicker than most competitors, where we use a minimum thickness of 0.3 to 0.32 millimeters, and we go as thick as 0.4 millimeters for specific applications. Lower cost products will start at 0.25 millimeters and rarely go above 0.3 millimeters. Our radiators' heat transfer properties are typically at least 10% more efficient than lower cost producers. TRP plastic tanks utilize a minimum of 92% virgin plastic to resist warping and cracking. We use a minimum tank thickness of 4 millimeters, where competitors are using 3 to 3.5 millimeter thickness. Lower cost products will have problems with their tanks warping over time and with mounting components and fitting connections that can break during normal use and installation. So we apply the same design philosophies in our charge air coolers, where all CACs leaving the factory are double leak tested, once at the core and then again after final assembly. In addition to the deep extrusion header design that we use on our radiators, we also incorporate other improvements like a welded reinforcement rib at the header and thicker flat tube walls. We use a minimum thickness of 0.55 millimeters that allows our CACs to withstand the higher pressures that are generated by today's high-powered turbocharged vehicles, which generate substantially higher boost pressure than ever before. TRP condensers are also tested individually, every single one before it leaves the factory. They benefit from the best materials and manufacturing techniques available. We utilize parallel flow designs for maximum cooling efficiency and reduced channel obstructions. These designs are about 33% more efficient than older serpentine design condensers. We utilize zinc-coated tubes to combat salt corrosion and virgin aluminum for all brackets and fittings for maximum strength. One design that I haven't touched on, which we implement on most of our cooling parts, is a hemmed or folded fin edge design. This design yields 50% better fin stability, which translates into better structural integrity and improved heat transfer properties. It's especially important for the condenser, which is located right behind the grill, where rocks and other road debris can cause damage and leaks to condensers using standard fins. All the factors I've talked about ensure TRP cooling parts yield the best combination of quality, reliability, performance, and durability.
TRP hoods have your customers' needs covered with over 75 different part numbers covering the most popular makes and models. For quick reference, you can find all of the parts in a unique stock class, which is 370H. This is a direct ship program out of Laredo, Texas, and hoods come with a 1-year warranty. TRP hoods provide the highest quality hood that you can find in the aftermarket. Hoods are made from a high-quality reinforced fiberglass and come with a white gel coat finish ready to sand, prime, and paint. Surface prep instructions are included with each hood, and holes are pre-drilled to OEM specifications for mounting and accessories, which save you and your customers time and labor. On the screen, you can see some photos of the manufacturing process. TRP hoods follow strict quality and manufacturing standards, ensuring a proper fit every time. In addition to the sell sheets and the line cards, which are available to you right now on PromoPort, TRP hoods are also included in our recently refreshed Insurance Collision Repair Catalog. This catalog provides an excellent opportunity to win insurance bids and also showcases the competitive pricing and product quality of TRP hoods. In addition, you can find related parts in our growing line of TRP collision components, including grills, aero mirrors, bumpers, windshields, as well as many other product lines. The updated catalog will be published on ePortal next week, so stay tuned for an announcement on that. As I mentioned earlier, we offer over 75 different part numbers covering popular makes and models, including the International ProStar, Freightliner Cascadia and Columbia, Volvo VN and VNL models, the Kenworth W900, and a Peterbilt 379. The Peterbilt 379 is offered in both a fiberglass version as well as a sheet metal aluminum hood, which includes a stainless grille. A detailed parts list, as well as the detail on the options, can be found on ePortal under the TRP Hood's product index page. A line card covering popular makes and models is also available on PromoPort, and this is a great tool. You can go in here and add your pricing, print it off, and use it with your outside sales staff as a tool for your customers. So I said earlier that TRP hoods are the highest quality hoods in the aftermarket, and I want to tell you a little bit more about why that is. TRP hoods are built using a 2.3 to 1 glass to fiber ratio, which maximizes strength while minimizing weight. Other will-fit hoods use less glass, which compromises the strength and also adds additional weight. TRP hoods are gauge checked at all stress points, as opposed to other competitors who use a quick eyeball check. This ensures that there are no weak spots in the hood. Orthometallic resin provides a great general-purpose resin to minimize distortions at high temperatures, compared to cheaper solutions used by many other suppliers. Core mounts are included in larger fender model hoods, and all TRP hoods perform at 40 Barkle hardness resistance against rock chips. TRP hoods come with a 20 mil gel coat finish, which is the same thickness as you will find in Packard genuine hoods. Other will-fit hoods typically have 10 mils or less, and a thicker gel coat provides more protection against defects in the sanding and painting process. TRP hoods are available via direct ship to all dealers in the U.S. and Canada. Orders will ship out of Laredo, Texas, and most hoods will ship within 24 hours. Hoods come fully crated to meet the National Motor Freight Classification specifications. And the best part about all of this is that freight is prepaid on all orders to the continental U.S. and Canada. So when you're looking at the pricing for TRP hoods, make sure to keep in mind that that is your delivered price. There's no additional charges for freight. Orders can be submitted using the TRPH ordering code, and detailed information as well as OE cross-references can be found by navigating to the product index on ePortal and clicking on the TRP hoods page. So shown on the screen here are just a few of our top-selling parts, many of which I mentioned earlier. So for any additional questions or if you need any additional information, please do not hesitate to reach out to the product marketing team, TRP Technical Research, or your district parts manager. Product information can be found on ePortal, and we've also included sales tools, including line cards and sell sheets, which are available on PromoPort right now.